Hello guys, welcome to channel SAPLOBBY. So today we'll discuss about the how the stock requirement list in that is MD04 in ECC or Esperan GUI we have versus metal coverage app. So in ECC or now in also in S4HANA we are using the MD04 stock and requirement list, but in S4HANA Fiori we have one metal coverage Fiori app. Okay, so that have multiple functionality unlike the stock requirement list. So we'll just go the some functionality of metal coverage app, how we can use and what are the metal coverage app in this session. Okay, so if you did not subscribe this channel, please subscribe. So in there are three types of metal coverage app in the Fiori. So let me go to the system. So if you look at, there are three: monitor metal coverage app, monitor metal coverage app, and check metal coverage. So these are three app, but difference is like this is net segment, another is net or net individual segment, and this is check metal coverage. So in check metal coverage app, that will be for a individual material, while this monitor metal coverage app, that will net segment means that will monitor to like whole plant or MRP area. Okay, but in the case of monitor metal coverage app, that is net or individual segment, that will to monitor both plant or some individual segment like customer stock, project stock. So those specific related things also can be monitored in this app. Okay, and this check monitor coverage app, that is basically like for a single material to either net segment or individual segment of a material. Okay, so these are the three apps are there. Okay, now so if you compare the MD04 and metal coverage app, there are in generally in traditional MD04 we can, in MD04 we can use the for single material or single material plant. You can see the all the stock and requirement else, and also you have the facility of to monitor at the weekly, monthly, daily. That options are there only. Okay, and if you go to the MD07, that is a collective case, so you have to use the MRP controller. Different parameters are there. Based on that you have to execute that report. Okay, but but if, and also like in MD04, that is line by line chronological. Okay, and in if you check the metal coverage app will have aggregated or visual dashboard, and we can use the multiple material. So in metal coverage app we can use the multiple material to run that report. Okay, and in MD04 we like exact date details are we can check. Okay, but in the metal coverage app, okay, we can identify the bottleneck. Like you can go through whole supply chain and bottleneck, and you can try to resolve the shortages. Okay, there and there. And here, so here like in metal coverage app we'll have also stock days of supply and time till shortage. All those things are there. Okay, so let me go to the system. So if you, now there are three apps: monitor metal coverage app, monitor metal net individual segment, and check material. So if I go here, monitor metal coverage app, here if you look at, so you can give the multiple material here. You can choose multiple material here. So and here like individual segment, like if you have customer stock, suppose you any material have the customer stock or any project stock, those also you can put in the filter. Okay, And evaluation period, like if you want to evaluate for the 7 days, 14 days, okay, 60 days, even like metal repellence lead time. So those types of parameter can be used to filter the output of this Fiori. Okay, and if suppose you want to add more filter, like there are, see, if there are different filters or ABC indicator, current stock, customer, days supply. So there are multiple options are there to filter the output of the Fiori. Or okay, and here also in output, suppose if you look at, there are output, now it is metal number, description, individual segment, shortage are there. Suppose you want to see the you want to create your own layout. Okay, so you can here you can choose the your own layout, what you want to see, okay, in output, that you can choose here. Okay, so this option is not available in the MD04 or MD07. You will not get that type, that this much option there. Okay, so these are the different options are there, you can choose to get the in output. And here you can export. Suppose you want to export that report, you can export from here. Okay, and suppose, and here suppose you have the multiple materials are there, you can choose one material, and if you click on the manage material, okay, so it will go to the individual material. So you can see what you have in the stock requirement list, like what are the MRP elements, okay, and quantity shortage on the first day of shortage. Okay, so that you can see. And here you have the different options are, suppose if you want to aggregate, you can do the aggregation. Okay, so this is like table view. If you want to table view, you can see the table view. Okay, so there are different options are there. So this is a graphical view. Okay, in the graphical view you can see. And suppose you want to run the MRP, you can run the MRP here only. Okay, and from here also you can create the order. You have the options of creating order, you can create the order, and you can run the MRP from here. Okay, so if you want to open the metal information, I mean like metal master, you can open here. And if you want to navigate to the stock requirement list, you can go to the stock requirement list. Okay, so similarly, so this is the like net and individual segment. Okay, and here okay, I covered this one. Okay, now if you go to the another one, like it is net segment. Okay, so here you will not get that option like customer stock, that individual segment option you will not get here, but at plant level. So here if you see, these are like some kind of graphical pictures. Okay, so availability of material, then if you look at, there is no zero piece of availability on. Okay, so that that kind of graphical structure you can get here. Okay, and suppose here in this here I just executed with on metal level. Okay, suppose if I want to change, and I want to see this report based on plant, so I can choose the plant. Okay, so here I can give the plant. Okay, so here I mean all the material which are belongs to this plant. Okay, these are the list. and if you want to see the on specific metal, you can give this metal number here. Okay, so that you will get this all the shortage quantity. Okay, and it is also the same thing. Suppose if you want to change the output layout, you can change by choosing your required options. Okay, so that it will gives its own output. Okay, now if you along with this, so like if you look at here, you can aggregate your requirements. Okay, and if you can run the MRP, you can accept the MRP result, you can revoke the your planning result. Okay, so and so that it will be like quick picture of your shortages, and you can act quickly. Okay, by looking on this Fiori app, because this will give the everything graphical and also tabular, so that it will be easy to understand or planner, like what is which material, what are the shortages, and what are the coverage area. Okay, and based on that you can initiate the MRP run from here only. Okay, so this is the overall difference between the MD04 stock requirement list versus metal coverage app. Okay, metal coverage Fiori. Okay, so hope it is understood. Okay, if you have any question, please let me know your comment. Okay, thank you for watching this video.